Hey guys, Vern here with Vern's Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your start menu. Stay tuned. In the lower left-hand corner, you see our start button. Go ahead and give that guy a click. Now they kind of incorporated the Windows 8 and then the older Windows as well. The Windows 7, Windows, or the previous version of Windows. As you'll see here, we have down here all apps. We can go ahead and click that, and they're alphanumerically ordered. Now we can click on C, and then, well, I should say we can click on any of the letters, and then that'll take us to basically the alphabet of our apps. And you see some are ghosted out. Well, I don't have any apps that start with the letter E. I do have apps that start with the letter A and the letter X. They're highlighted in bold white. And there we have the Xbox app. The other thing we can do, let's go ahead and click the back button right here. We can go to our settings, which will take us to our basic control panel area. And we'll cover that in a future video, but that's where we'll get to that. And then back to our start menu, which you can also find by the Windows key. Bottom left of your keyboard to the left of the spacebar, there'll be a Windows key. It'll bring up the same thing. Here's File Explorer. This is where we see everything that has to do with our computer. We got the desktop, the documents. If you put in a flash drive into your PC, you'll find it here. So let's go ahead and X out of that. Go back to our start menu. They still give us tiles, and we can also make this full screen. If you really like Windows 8.1 and you like the full screen start menu, well, you could still do that by going to the settings and making that a full screen. Here's one thing. I don't have my mail set up on this machine yet. This is a brand new machine. We're starting from scratch. This is just for tutorials. But we can go ahead and right click on that mail and let's resize it. Let's make it small. There you go. That's what a small looks like. Go ahead but for our mail, we'd want a large. So, and with that, with having a large, that would make us, it would be easier for us to scan through the last little bit of emails that we have in there. We can make it a large or make it a small. There's certain things that will give us certain data that we're going to want a large tile. Other things, maybe photos, we wanted a smaller tile, so we'd go resize, click small, and you see how that went to a small tile size for us. You can left click on the tile, drag it, and then place that where you want it, and just adjust that however you would like. You can go ahead and pin this. Well, this is unpinned from the start. We can take it away, or we can do pin to taskbar. And that's going to put it down in our taskbar below. Let's go ahead and unpin this from the taskbar because I do not want it. Here's the Windows Play Store. If we want to unpin this, just right click, choose unpin, and go from there. Here's a neat thing. So this is the weather. So let's go ahead and put it down here and resize, and we're going to make that large just for something to do, right? Now this can also be resized here. We can shrink this down, make it go up, so everything's really functional. Windows is giving you what you want to do with this now. They're opening it up for you, make it more user friendly, more customizable. So I really like it compared to the Windows 8.1. I also like it over Windows 7. So the tiles are kind of nice for certain things, not for everything, but for certain things it's kind of nice. I give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. If you liked the video, give me a like, and make sure you subscribe. Give me a subscribe. Thank you. For now.